is Robin Whitfield. I'm an artist who loves nature. So today I came to Lee Tartt Nature Preserve in downtown Grenada to see what I can find. Now I'm bringing a basket with me on an adventure and I want you guys to join me. Now what I'm going to be looking for to put in this basket are plants and minerals, and that's kind of a fancy name for dirt, that I think might have a cool color if I put them on paper. Now you're probably thinking, what is she talking about? So what I am talking about is we're going to make paint. And I'm wanting you to do something similar in your own yard or neighborhood or a natural area near you after you watch this video. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll kind of show you a little bit more about what we're looking for as we're looking for it. Thanks, y'all. Oh, hey y'all, look what I found. I'm going to show you what's in my basket, and we're going to keep looking. All right, I'm finding a good bit of variety out here in this field. Sometimes when you look out across grass, you really just think that's all it is. But that's part of the fun of this activity, is when you take a closer look, you realize how much cool stuff is tucked away. Oh, cool. Let's go see what this pink is over here. All right, I think we need some of that. It's like some kind of clover, maybe? One good thing to remember is if you find a really cool plant but there's only one or two of them, you probably shouldn't gather them for this activity. But when you look out across a field and you see so many of any particular plant, I think you can feel comfortable taking as much as you need. But it's still better to only take what you need, not more than you need, because the butterflies need these too. All right, now I've made it to the forest. Let's see if we can find some different sorts of things in the forest. I know I see a lot of green, but we need some green. Let's see. Kind of what we're looking for here is a soft leaf. Leaves, there's all kinds of different greens and all kinds of different leaves out here, but they don't all work equally well for what we're doing. And since you don't know exactly what we're doing yet, y'all just trust me. When you're looking for leaves, this one feels a little hard and smooth, so I'm gonna go past it and keep getting these that feel softer, although this one's not feeling as soft as I would like. Though sometimes you may just want to grab a leaf because it looks cool, like this one. And this is, I think, a common weed, but it's one that I've always enjoyed looking at, and it might yield us a cool color. This is a great opportunity to also just touch leaves and feel how different they all are. This one actually feels furry. It probably means it's not going to be a very good for this project. Whoop, look at there. Now I see some poison ivy. We're going to stay away from that. Leaves of 3, let them be. Oh wow, look at that. This is one of my favorite plants for green. This is a plant a lot of people know as poke salad. It's got these big, soft, juicy leaves that make the most beautiful green. One way you can know it is by its reddish stalk. Alright y'all, I walked to the edge of the swamp. I thought it might be interesting to get some mud from the edge of the water. I want to see what color it is. Alright. I'm going to see... let's see if I can get some mud that doesn't have too many leaves in it. That might be tough. It's generally easier to find and get mud in places like creek banks or lakes right on the edge where there really aren't that many leaves. But I see enough for me to work with. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, I'm going to try to collect some dry stuff too. But sometimes it's fun to go ahead and just start with the water already added. Now, if y'all find yourself in a place with some good rocks like this gravel road I'm walking on, it may be a good idea to stop and find one that you like, that you think you would like to hold and use to crush some of your plants and minerals. That feels kind of cool. Look, my finger fits like it was kind of made for me. Okay, I think that's the one for me. right, y'all, so what we did today was find some colors and see what we could do with them. Now the fun really begins, because now that you understand what we're doing, the sky's the limits as far as what you can create. All you need to do is add your imagination. So until next time, go have fun exploring and creating.